Hey guys, it's Abby, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your breakouts into freckles. To start, I'm just putting the Tatcha primer all over my face, and then I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown concealer and just spot concealing over any dark areas. I want to clarify that the reason I'm breaking out is because I went a little too hard on my face with an extractor during quarantine, and it was a terrible idea. Now I'm just going to go ahead and conceal the dark area under my eyes, and then I'm going to go back and continue to spot conceal any spots on my face. Now I'm going in with the It Cosmetics CC Cream and just using that foundation to even out my skin tone. I'm just going to blend that all around my face with my brush, and then I'm going to press it in with my Beauty Blender. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Pretty Vulgar Concealer and concealing under my eyes and then again over every breakout. And you want to be smoothing the concealer down over the breakout so that it does not accentuate it. Now I'm going to be blending out my concealer with my ring finger, and the reason I'm using my finger instead of a Beauty Blender is because the Beauty Blender absorbs too much product. And I'm using my ring finger because it is the lightest finger to use. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with powder, first under my eyes and then over each breakout. And I'm going to just let this powder sit on the breakout for a little while to set. While that is setting, I'm going to go ahead and finish my face. Right now I'm just contouring my nose with my Fenty contour sticks like I usually do. And then I'm also going to use that to contour the sides of my cheekbones. Now I'm going to blend out my contour with my Beauty Blender and then start to brush away the Laura Mercier powder with a brush. Now I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and I'm just setting my contour. The powder that we used on my skin left it pretty pale, so I'm going to go ahead with the Pretty Vulgar Concealer just to make sure that it is all the same shade. And I'm just patting that over the breakout and then blending the area around the breakout without touching the breakout itself. Next, I'm going in with a Ciate London blush and I'm just applying that on my cheekbones while trying not to disturb the product on my breakouts too much. After this, I'm going to highlight with MAC Soft and Gentle and just apply that to the tops of my cheekbones. Now, here's the fun part. I'm going in with my Benefit Eyebrow Pencil. I'm in the shade 3.5, and I'm just dotting this over my breakout. And obviously, you can't just put the freckle on one breakout, so this is the fun part because you go crazy with your pencil and just dot it all over your cheeks and your nose. Once you've achieved the freckle look that you want, you're going to go back in with your powder and just set the freckles. This is going to neutralize it and make it look like you didn't just take a pencil to your entire face. I'm going to be finishing off my look with some eyeshadow. The one I'm using is from Butter London, and then I'm just applying mascara to my eyes. To finish the look, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, lipstick, and a ColourPop lip gloss, and that is it for the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are struggling with breakouts right now, this is a great way to cover them.